Use this before makeup today. Feel a little bit in summer and get allergic moisturizing. But maybe not bad for dry skin. Just put it in that slightly sticky state. How easy this is. Really no need to say. This Charlie is really good. It also has good makeup. One layer down and my flaws are gone. This brightening works really well. Otherwise, it will be better to shoot it open in place. More for idiots. Otherwise, we will be comfortable colors. I used basically this one before. That's Northeast, and it's easy to shoot. The way it takes away the base makeup. I want to put a little paint on first. Wear eyelids when it's safe. Just separate the edges and clean them. Give him the illusion of a chin. One end up. Open it down and use this piece. Going out to shoot today. Forgotten. It is more casual to pull a line directly from the tail of the eyebrow. Draw a few blind flew at the back. Just an eyebrow trip. Then use a comb to tidy up a little bit. I'll use another eyebrow powder. Use this dark brown to leave him in the middle. Leave a line. Then the eyebrows appear thin. Serve with even powder inside. I want to see if it will be more realistic, because we still use this. Use this color to draw a thinner one. Long in here, try to draw a little narrower. Boundaries are smudged clean. Then wear an eye mask, by the way. I'll still take this light brown one. I need to wear a discount hook to deepen. Wear eyeshadow and wear a little fluffy. Only the brush. Look at smudging this pale flower monster. It's really bright. Blind your eyes. Not available now. I will just brighten the work slightly. Yes, the voice is hearing Zhao Lei Gong. Moon School a little tip. A little color brush. Brighten with whatever you want. Or highlights or something. Matte, then click on the effect you want. Really good. Naturally more obvious, the point can be at the corner of the mouth and the triangle of the forehead. Then use a big grooming brush. Then this deep along your lower forehead line. One goes deeper and one goes up. Our company's pickup replaces normal products. I can't take the whole eyelid. There is a small dot brush to darken the brown. Is to deepen the second half. I see one. The smaller brush still took out the dark brown. The eyes are deepening. If you can, don't draw outside. It looks like a double eyelid sticker with big eyes. Take it like this. He is upside down. Pull the flower liquid back to my place. Let go. Another natural double eyelid. Eyebrow primer mascara will do. On the back, the eyelashes should also be high eyeliner. We use eyeshadow to paint them. Stare ahead with this dark brown. Pull out one at the end of your eye and connect it to him first. Draw a small triangle. It's early afternoon. Then take this color and draw one down too. A smaller flat brush on the side. Or take this color plus mountain. Down to back down. Then we find another one of these. Fold him with the small one. The middle should be slightly overlapping and half separated. This effect. Let's use the clothes just now. Try the double eyelid thread. Well, this color is good to draw Ejo Sao. Let's smudge the brush a little bit. Maybe some sequins. Come on, come on, come on, I'm here. Check the granularity. My eyes are just right. This foot water is really easy to use. Try to apply it on the false eyelashes. Then paint a little more on both sides. Let's set the tail first. Reorder cigarette butts. Hold it and push it in. Then come to the classmates and tell them how to flirt. Do we have eyelid lower limbs? I especially want to brush my eyebrows again. Comb it up with a mascara that is almost out of stock. Then use a black eyeshadow of this kind. Isn't there a little gap in the tail? Fill it out for him and pull it out. Well, draw a mole on the lower eyelashes. This one. With a small brush. With this petite pointed brush from CT, you must have this white head. We are like little light bulbs. Then I will use these two colors to white my eyes. Brighten up the eyeliner. I'm turning a little red here and painting a little smiling lips. No, not this color. Try to see if the sheepskin comb can tear it off accurately. This is much better. Give him this lip line with your finger. Still no. Look at the edge with a cotton swab. Give him a blur. Replace the tip. Use a small brush like this blush. Apply it all around the lips. A lot of silent ideal nature. Surrounding the scene inside such a late night.